So, here's the setup. You want a killer all-in-one streaming amp, something sleek, powerful, and future-proof. Enter the Eversolo Play and the Fiio R9. These two aren't just pretty boxes to stack on your audio shelf. They're complete listening ecosystems designed to simplify your setup while maximizing sound quality. But while the Eversolo Play wants to woo you with elegance and ease, the Fiio R9 is that nerdy powerhouse that wants to do everything. Today we're putting them head-to-head to find out which one deserves your hard-earned cash. And more importantly, which one actually fits your lifestyle. The Eversolo Play feels like it came straight out of a Scandinavian designer's dream. Minimalist clean lines, a matte CNC machined aluminum chassis, and a bright, intuitive 5.5-inch display that welcomes you into a warm, hi-fi world. It's the kind of gear you'd proudly display in your living room. Meanwhile, the Fiio R9 is more like a tech-savvy showpiece. A 6-inch Full HD portrait display, glossy surfaces, and bold industrial design. It's basically a music-dedicated Android tablet in a heavy-duty audio frame. One note, though. Those shiny panels are fingerprint magnets, so if you're the hands-on type, you might need a microfiber cloth on standby. Here's where philosophies diverge. The Eversolo Play is all about plug and play. It supports Tidal Connect, Qobuz, Amazon Music, Deezer, TuneIn Radio, and even Rune. And vinyl heads, rejoice! There's a phono input on board. You also get HDMI, subwoofer out, coaxial, and optical ins, plus multi-room audio via their app. There's even room correction with acoustic analysis through your phone. That's some big brain engineering. The Fiio R9, on the other hand, is an Android beast. You can download anything from the Play Store, Spotify, Tidal, YouTube, you name it. It supports pretty much every protocol in the book. NAS, DLNA, AirPlay, USB DAC, HDMI ARC, and more. If you want total control and the ability to tweak every part of your setup, the R9 says, go wild. But with great flexibility comes a learning curve, and the occasional UI hiccup. Now to the sound, the heart of it all. The Eversolo Play uses a single AK4493 DAC with a Class D amp, delivering warm, detailed, and musical playback. Tight bass, rich mids, and smooth highs make it easy and enjoyable to listen to for hours. The Fiio R9 with dual DACs and THX-AAA 788 Plus amps offers surgical precision and serious power. It's ideal for demanding headphones and analytical listening, but may feel too revealing for casual users. Cozy lounge versus pro studio. Using the Eversolo Play is like driving a luxury EV, smooth, intuitive, and hassle-free. It works right out of the box with a solid app, seamless updates, and a user-friendly remote. It's designed to impress without overwhelming. The Fiio R9, on the other hand, is a powerhouse that can feel complex. Android adds flexibility, but performance isn't always snappy. It's ideal for audio tinkerers, but casual users may find it a bit much. If you value elegance, simplicity, and great sound out of the box, the Eversolo Play is an easy pick at $699 to $799. It nails the essentials and adds smart extras like vinyl support and room correction. But if you're after a true all-in-one powerhouse with unmatched flexibility, the Fiio R9 at $1,000 to $1,200 is built for audio enthusiasts who love to tinker. So, do you want plug-and-play ease or full control? Either way, you're in for something special. So, which one gets your vote? Eversolo Play or Fiio R9? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this comparison helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future deep dives.